Lakshminarayan Sharma was Neem Karoli Baba's real name. He was born around 1900 in the Akbarpur village of Uttar Pradesh. He attained enlightenment at the age of 17. Durga Prasad Sharma was his father's name. Baba married at the age of 11. Baba left his home in 1958 and began traveling throughout North India as a monk. He was known by many names at the time, including Lakshman Das, Handi Wale Baba, and Tikonia Wale Baba. He performed penance in Morbi, Gujarat, and was known as Taliya Baba there. Baba Neem Karoli was a saint. His followers regard him as an incarnation of Hanumanji. He was a straightforward personality. Many wonderful stories are told about him. Baba was once traveling in the first-class compartment. Baba did not have the ticket when the ticket checker arrived. The ticket checker then deboarded Baba at the next station, Neem Karoli. Baba sat back a little, burying his stick in the ground. The officials ordered the train to move, and the guard flagged it off, but the train did not move an inch. When the train did not start after many attempts, the local magistrate who knew Baba asked the officials to apologize to Baba and bring him inside with dignity. Others on the train agreed with the magistrate. The officials apologized to Baba and made him sit respectfully in the train. The train began as soon as Baba sat in it. Baba's name has since been changed to Neem Karoli. There are hundreds of stories about Neem Karoli Baba's miracles. Baba Neem Karoli first visited Kanchi Dham near Nainital, Uttarakhand, in 1961 with the intention of establishing an ashram here with his old friend Purnanand Ji. This ashram was founded in 1964 by Baba Neem Karoli. Neem Karoli Baba's memorial is in Pantandar, near Nainital. Anyone who comes here with a wish does not leave empty-handed. There is also Baba's tomb here. A magnificent statue of Baba Neem Karoli has also been erected here. There is also a Hanumanji idol here. Among his most well-known disciples are musician Jai Uttal, singer and spiritual teacher Bhagwan Das, author and meditation teacher Lama Surya Das, and poet Krishna Das. Other notable devotees include American spiritual leader Ma Jaya Sati Bhagwati, Evert Rosser, a scholar and author, Dada Mukherjee, John Bush, filmmaker Daniel Goleman, and humanitarian Larry Brilliant and his wife Girija. Among the devotees of Neem Karoli Baba are Apple CEO Steve Jobs, Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg, and Hollywood actress Julia Roberts. It is said that visiting this dham changed their life. On 15th June, a fair is held at Devbhoomi Kanchi Dham, and devotees of Baba Neem Karoli come from all over the country and abroad. Baba Neem Karoli is revered as an incarnation of Lord Hanuman in this dham. Thousands of devotees from India and around the world come here to seek Hanuman Ji's blessings. At this location, Baba's devotees constructed a magnificent Hanuman temple. There are 5 deity temples here. There is also a Hanumanji temple among them. Baba Neem Karoli was a Hanumanji devotee who built many Hanumanji temples across the country. The ashrams of Neem Karoli Baba have been built in a variety of locations throughout India, including Kanchi, Vrindavan, Rishikesh, Shimla, the Neem Karoli village near Khimsepur in Farrukhabad, Bhumiyadhar, Hanumangadi, and Delhi, as well as Taos, New Mexico, in the United States. Richard Alpert Ramdas wrote a book titled Miracle of Love about Neem Karoli Baba's miracles, in which the bulletproof blanket incident is mentioned. Baba always covered the blanket. People still bring blankets to him when they visit his temple. Baba Neem Karoli Maharaj has 2 sons and 1 daughter. Eldest son Anek Singh lives with his family in Bhopal, while junior son Dharam Narayan Sharma was working as a ranger in the forest department. He has passed away recently. He left his body on 11 September 1973 in Vrindavan. It is said that mostly Americans come to Baba's ashram. The ashram is situated in a hilly area amidst pine trees.